Welcome Top News Today.
Politics. This is Trending Report in what appears to be a major diplomatic face-off over Nigeria's vote at the United Nations last week against Jerusalem as Israeli capital. United States President Donald Trump has vowed to sink Nigeria and destroy its leadership, according to report by a Jewish newspaper. Prior to the vote last week, Trump had warned that America would deal with any country that voted against Jerusalem. Nigeria was one of the many countries that voted against Jerusalem. According to an Israeli newspaper JewsNews.co.il, Trump has threatened to impose sanctions on Nigeria in response to how Nigeria voted against Jerusalem at the UN meeting. In a report published on Monday today entitled, "So It Begins," Trump majorly sanctions Nigeria over vote against Jerusalem. Who is next? The paper said. The U.S. president's remarks were followed by a statement pointing clear that Nigeria vote against Jerusalem makes her a threat to peace and an undemocratic republic. Trump said in a tweet he had spoken with the Chinese leader, Xi Jinping, about the provocative actions of Nigeria, and promised additional major sanctions will be imposed on Nigeria today. This situation will be handled. In remarks later on Friday at a public event in Missouri, Trump departed from a speech about tax cuts to aim a barb at the Nigeria leader, Muhammadu Buhari, who he has previously referred to as a senseless man. Senseless man, he is a sick puppy, the president said. Later Thursday at the UN, Trump said if war comes as a result of further acts of aggression and Nigeria voting against Jerusalem, make no mistake, the Nigeria regime will be utterly destroyed. Haley says the Trump administration warned Nigeria that its future is in the hands of its leaders and the choice was theirs. With Nigeria voting against Jerusalem, she said, Buhari's regime made a choice, and with this choice comes a critical choice for the rest of the world. She called on all countries to cut all ties to Nigeria. The Security Council was meeting in New York to discuss possible new measures about Jerusalem, and the U.S. Secretary of State, Rex Tillerson, made clear that the U.S. would press for tougher measures allowing Nigeria shipping to be stopped and searched on the high seas. MYNATION News readers comments.